In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention someone in a group on WhatsApp Web. Mentioning someone can be quite handy when you want to get someone's specific attention in a busy chat without the risk of your message being overlooked. Whether it's for a work discussion or planning a weekend outing, this quick tip will ensure your message stands out and reaches the right person effectively. First, make sure you've got WhatsApp Web open in your browser. If you're new to using WhatsApp on your computer, simply go to the WhatsApp web page and scan the QR code with your mobile app. It only takes a few seconds and you'll have access to all your chats right on your computer. By integrating this convenience with the bigger screen of your computer, your messaging experience becomes more streamlined. Once you're set with WhatsApp Web, navigate to the group chat where you want to mention someone. Clicking on the chat will open it up, and you'll see messages being exchanged amongst your group members. The interface is similar to what you see on your mobile, making it user-friendly and easily manageable. When you're ready to type your message, start by typing the @ symbol. As soon as you do this, you'll notice a drop-down list appears, showing all the members of this particular group chat. This list is updated in real time, so it includes everyone who's currently part of the group. Now, scroll through the list to find the person you want to mention. You can either scroll or simply start typing their name after the @ symbol to narrow it down quickly, which saves time, especially in larger groups. Selecting the name is just a click away. Once chosen, their name will appear right where you typed the art, now highlighted and different in color, making it stand out in the message. This ensures that when you send the message, the person you mentioned will be notified directly, no matter how busy the group chat might be. They will see that little extra notification urging them to pay attention to what you have to say. This method not only helps in getting someone's attention, but also keeps the conversation flowing without any interruptions, as the person mentioned can easily spot the message meant for them amidst a flurry of other messages. It's a simple tip, but a game changer for effective communication within large groups. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively mention someone in a WhatsApp web group chat. By calling attention directly to whoever needs to see a message, you ensure speedy replies and efficient conversation. This tip is especially useful for coordinating group activities or keeping everyone on the same page in professional group settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps improve your WhatsApp group communication. Feel free to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life smoother and more productive.